Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear viewers, how are you? I think all viewers are well by the mercy of Allah. Dear viewers, now I am staying in Boromohor Boromohor High School. It is established in 1974 and it's re-established in 2001. Its post office is Muroil, Upozela, Kahaloo and district Bogra. Now I am staying here and enjoying myself. Dear viewers, the school is located in Bogra district and Kahaloo Upozela. Viewers, you can enjoy here the beautiful nature. At this moment, I have remember a poet names William Wordsworth. Nature never did betray. Here I am enjoying nature never did betray. The beautiful nature, that means beautiful mind and beauty. Percy Shelley is my favorite poet, and he said that a thing of beauty is joy forever. Dear viewers, if you want, you can also visit this area. This area is very peaceful area. The school is located in Bogra district. You can easily connect with the school and visit here. Besides some beautiful places, that means the nature, especially the natural beauty. Visitors can enjoy the natural beauty, those who visit Boromohor High School. The Boromohor High School is established in 1974 and re-established 2001, and its post office is Muroil and Upozela Kahaloo district Bogra. Here you can enjoy the beauty. Dear viewers, I am trying to watch the beautiful sight of besides the Boromohor High School. Dear viewers, I ensure and inspires all of the viewers to visit Boromohor High School, and you can enjoy the natural beauty. I think the fresh air and the natural beauty will enjoyed by everyone. Dear viewers, today I am staying there because in my father-in-law's house is not very far from the school. I have come here to enjoy in my father-in-law's house. For this reason, I have get a chance to make a video for the viewers. So I have make a video. I have to make a video for the viewers. Dear viewers, if you want to visit these places, you can enjoy the overall beauties of nature. Thanks, dear. Thanks, viewers. No more today. Please, you are requested to subscribe my channel. Let's study English. Thank you very much.